Wi-Fi is currently being removed in a growing number of schools due to a greater awareness of possible health issues associated with long-term exposure to pulsed digital microwave radiation. Despite that, more and more students are receiving wireless tablets and devices in North America as part of the 21st Century Learning Initiative planned back in 2008. As a result, an unprecedented number of children are now being exposed to high levels of microwave radiation throughout their time in school. Shown here is a Wi-Fi iPad downloading a software update. The measurements here are done with a GHz Solutions HFW59D RF meter and omnidirectional antenna that is placed outside of the near-field effect from the iPad's Wi-Fi antenna. This meter covers the entire frequency range between 2.4 to 10 GHz, which includes the upper and lower Wi-Fi bands. With the wireless router and iPad turned off, the background radiation in this band was below 0.1 microwatts per square meter in our lab. At this distance, we consistently see levels over 14 milliwatts or 14,000 microwatts per square meter. Applying the correction factors for high-speed pulse digital signals, the peak levels are actually over 140,000 microwatts per square meter. The Strasbourg resolution of the European Parliament recommends long-term precautionary levels at just over 100 microwatts per square meter. The most recent 2012 Bio-Initiative report recognizes children as a sensitive subpopulation of long-term exposure to pulsed microwave radiation. They recommend safe maximum levels in the 0.3 to 0.6 nanowatts per square centimeter range. This converts to 3 to 6 microwatts per square meter. Since these wireless devices are commonly used much closer to the body, the calculated near-field exposures are close to thermal effects. At this point, the industry changes their method of measurement to SAR, or specific absorption rate, just like a cell phone. Shown here is Apple's measured radiation level from this model of iPad. SAR measurements are based only on thermal effects over a short period of time and ignore the thousands of peer-reviewed studies showing damage to cells and/or DNA at much lower levels. In 2011, the World Health Organization classified electromagnetic radiation as Class 2B, which is a possible carcinogen. Note that lead and DDT are in the same category. Arguments are made that this classification was related only to long-term cell phone use, but in fact it applies to all sources of electromagnetic radiation. Furthermore, both our measured radiation levels and the manufacturer's specifications show very little difference between a cell phone and a tablet device like this. For more detailed information about the hazards associated with long-term exposure to microwave radiation, please visit the Safe Living Technologies website at slt.co.